Hello student, this is again Sheetal teacher here, and due to some technical problem we have to divide the video in two parts. So in previous part of the video we have seen that she was walking through a crevasse. You can see the picture here. The picture shows us a drip crack into a ice, and it is really difficult. If she lose her confidence, she might have been fell down in the deep valley, or we can say a crevasse, where no one can take the person back again. So but still she was very much confident, and she decided herself that she is not going to give up. Now just take the last paragraph on page number 33. Just a bit more and you will be there, she told herself. It means what? It shows that she was trying to encourage herself. She was trying to encourage herself, whereas the two persons, those who were with her, they were trying to told her that Arunima, we should give up. But she was the only who was encouraging herself that one more steps and you will be there. Means just a more, just a bit more, just a bit more, like that she was encouraging, and she was moving on, moving on, moving on. And then she was on the summit, and finally she reached at the peak of the mountain, on the top of the highest mountain in the world. And it was the day of 21st May 2013, which will remain etched in her memory forever. She had done it. So on 21st May she reached at the peak of the mountain, and she did it. She was the second amputee in the world to have climbed Mount Everest. Second amputee means the person with some physical problem, right? As I told you the meaning of amputee, she was the second amputee who have climbed up the Mount Everest. Then who was the first? The first one is given near in the next line. The first being Ronald Graham from USA. He was the first one, amputee one, who climbed up the mountains, and Arunima was the second amputee who climbed up the mountains. Now we should be proud of Arunima that she is Indian. Arunima Sinha was the first Indian who had dared to take on such a challenge. Now, being a lady, being a amputee woman, she took the challenge and she did it. So we should really salute her, and we should really proud of Arunima Sinha. So what she is trying to suggest us from her story, that nothing is impossible if you think yourself. If you decided yourself, you should never give up. Try to achieve your aims, work on it, you will definitely get it. Okay, see the next page, that is page number 34. In page number 34, two paragraphs are given. Arunima proudly planted the Indian tricolor on the top of the summit. She also pushed a note wrapped in a cloth into the snow, thanking the Almighty for helping her achieve her dreams. Means finally she reached at the top, and she planted the Indian tricolor over there with very proud. Okay, and she completed her dream, so she put some note there which was wrapped in a cloth. In December 2014, in a grand ceremony, the Prime Minister of India released the book Born Again on the Mountain, written by Arunima on her experience of scaling Mount Everest. So in 2014, December 2014, she had released her book Born Again on Mountain, written by Arunima. Okay, you can see the picture where Arunima is planting Indian host at the peak of the Mount Everest, and in second picture you can see the releases of her book with Prime Minister and other dignitaries. Okay, so we must salute her, and we should learn so many things from Arunima's experience. Last two paragraph. In 2015, she was awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor in India. So she was also awarded by Padma Shri in 2015. She was also honored with Tenzing Norgay Award in 2016 and the First Lady Award in 2018. Along with that, she had got a lot many awards. Okay, so you can see on your book page number 32 they have given so many pictures which shows her achievements, and even you can search it on the net. Last paragraph. Arunima runs a nowadays what she is doing. Arunima runs a non-profit school for underprivileged and specially abled children. The school Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad Vikalang Khel Academy. This is the name of her school. Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad Vikalang Khel Academy is Arunima's life. Though the school does not yet have many facilities, at present the school is not having so many facilities, but Arunima is determined to take it to a great height someday. In her words, see her words very nicely. Failure is not when we fall short of achieving our goals. मीन्स फेल्यूर उसको नहीं बोलते हैं कि जब आप आपका गोल अचीव करने में कम पड़ते हो. It is when we don't have goals worthy enough. So what is failure? Failure is what? When we don't have goal worthy enough. Means each and every person should have a goal in life. And once you have decided about your goals, you should work on it and you should achieve it. Okay, and for that you should never give up. So this is what we learn from Arunima, that we should never give up. You can see the picture here. She was awarded, honored by honorable Prime Minister, and this is the school. Some ceremony of her school. The picture shows about her. So again, student, I am requesting you, this is very interesting and encouraging story. Read it as many time as you can and take some positive from that. Make the points. If you want, you can point out your goals also and try to work on it. Okay, so read the story again and again till that. Thank you so much.